Hi there! I'm Teacher Ivy from the Philippines. Learning English doesn't need to be difficult. It can be fun, exciting, and something you look forward to. In my classes, you'll enjoy lively lessons, interactive games, and perfectly matched to your level and learning style. I've taught students of all ages, and nothing makes me happier seeing my learners grow more confident every single day. I'm a TFL certified, which means I'm trained and ready to help you succeed in English, whether you're just starting out or aiming to improve your skills. When I'm not teaching, you'll find me cooking, taking peaceful nature walks, and enjoying a good book. I can't wait to meet you and make learning English is your new favorite thing. So what are you waiting for? Let's learn together. See ya in my class. Bye!